So hi everyone. I know I asked you that why we are gathered here today, and Riyansh, you said that World Food Day, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, we celebrate World Food Day because it teaches us that we should not waste food, and we should whenever a lot of food is cooked over here in any of our homes, then we
Yes.
should use them like we should donate it or to animals or feed it to animals or
Yes.
even make a new dish out of it.
Very good. Great answer, Riyansh. Great job. Anyone
And
else?
then we should also eat healthy.
Let me announce why this World Food Day is actually celebrated. Okay? I know most of you are aware and most of you are not aware, but there is something called United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. And on 16 October, at the same date, this organization was established to eradicate what? To remove what? To remove
Hunger.
what? Very
Zero
good.
hunger.
Very
Now, food is national security, food is economy, it is employment, energy, history. Food is everything. Now, this chef Jose Andres say that food is everything. Are we able to survive without food? Will be able to know, right? One day, 2 day you will be, but after that you do require food. Now there's no energy left in your body. There's no energy left. You're not able to go to work. If you're not able to go to work, there will be no money. There will be no economy. So everywhere, everyone require food. That amount of nutrition. Now there are people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. Such a nice thing Mahatma Gandhi said. That there are people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them. They can only accept in the form of bread. कि खाने के form में ही they can come in front of them. The God can come in front of that poor people, that hungry people. So we are the one who have to encourage ourselves to help such person in need.
Can I tell the meaning of that thought?
Sure, Riyansh. Please go ahead.
Like food should be a right for someone. Like there are many poor people and many people who have low socio-economic background, and
Yes.
few people teach them that food is not their right. They need to have a good socio-economic background, and they should be just literate and everything like that. But actually, a person, we are humans, right?
Yes.
We all of us are humans. There is nobody special.
Yes.
We all have come from from same species. So it should be a right for all of us to have food.
Very good.
And ma'am, none of us is special. We all are one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the first question. This is for only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 class students. What are some examples of healthy foods that are rich in fiber?
B.
Question. This is for class 6, 7 and 8. Which nutrient is essential for strong bones and can be found in dairy products like milk and cheese? Vitamin C, calcium, iron. Bernadette, you are the winner for this one. Should you include in a balanced meal to ensure you a great variety of nutrients? Only carbohydrates, only proteins, combination of carbohydrates, protein, fruits and vegetables. Okay.
Kandashri was the first one to answer.
Kanda.
A burger won't be finished without this half of the idli. Let's cover it. Wow, the burger looks so tasty. The healthy burger is ready.
And then heat. Now I'm going to put it in the oven.
Hello everyone, my name is Larma Patra. I'm 8 years old in grade 3. On World Food Day, I am feeding a stray dog leftovers instead of throwing it away.
Save water. Let's see a quick video and understand more about it.
But its surface. Our planet may be called Earth, but its surface is made up mostly of water. Water flows within us and is the driving force for all nature. Water is food, prosperity, energy.
I can see good energy in you. Very good, amazing. I'll be spotlighting some of the people who are doing this so nicely.
I'm making a red spicy rice. So for the ingredients I'm using leftover rice, and I have mirchi, zira, rai, haldi, salt, mirchi, curry leaves, and ginger garlic paste, and red chilies. First we are going to heat oil. Put some oil in the pan. Okay, we are heating the oil right now. Then we have to put all our spices and all.
Today I am making waste to best of food products, the leftover food. There was some leftover salad at my home. So I am making chutney for Murugan sandwich.